Uh, the motion is passed through motor to gears, and gears, all the gears are meshed with each others, and this shaft is rotating about its own axis. The motion is transmitted from motor to the gears. One more. This is a long shaft, and here the gears are meshed with each others. There is a hole in which the this rotating part, which we say like spindle, this is insert in it, and the gear mechanism is as follows. The vibrations is because of the misalignment between the axis of motor and axis of this object. This shaft is rotating about its own axis. This is known as a gear mechanism.